In this video, we will learn how to create GenAI apps with Google AI Studio. So let us go to the web browser. On Google, type Google AI Studio and press enter. I'll directly click on the link aistudio.google.com. Click on it. Since I already logged in with my Gmail ID, so it will directly open like this. So let's say I want to create a GenAI app with vibe coding. So here are some options provided. Let's say I just want to scrap some data from a website. So for demo, I'll use my own website, Studiopedia. So I'll just select this, use Google search data, and here it's visible. Now I'll type scrap the website studiopedia.com and list the titles. Okay. I'll click build. It will take the model Gemini 2.5 Pro. Click build. It will take some time and list all the files with the code, and it will also provide you a preview on devices like mobile, desktop, tablet and others. So let's wait. Here you can see it is using Google search data because I selected that option. These are the files generated. I can do changes here, or I can also stop this here to cancel the generation. So here it is generating. It has provided us a complete UI also to enter a website and scrap the titles. Okay, so I'll just click scrap titles. So here it is, it generated. Okay, so it has generated the titles. I can do changes also. Also scrap the description from the extracted titles. Let's see what will happen. It is showing I have updated the application to scrap both the titles and descriptions from the website you provide, that is studiopedia.com. It is doing the changes in the files also. Okay, so it is also changing the UI. Okay, now I'll click scrap content. Now it is AI web scrapper. And now it has also generated the descriptions easily from my website. So in this way we can create GenAI apps and perform vibe coding with Google AI Studio. Now when you'll open Google Studio, that is aistudio.google.com, you will be able to find your apps. That is only a single app we created. So directly go to aistudio.google.com, click vibe code GenAI apps, and here you will be able to find your apps. Click your apps. And here is your app. We just created it, AI Web Title Scrapper. I'll click on it and the same will be visible here. The preview will be visible. You can change the preview from here, like current screen size, mobile, tablet, like I'm changing it on tablet like this, and the current screen size. The code is available here. All the files are here. Okay. Click on any of them. You can easily rename, move. Okay. You can easily rename or delete it. You can copy the code from here. Here are all the setting files, components, okay, and everything else. For output, you can click preview here. Here is the code. If you want some changes, you can add the changes here. You can also add a clear cache option and provide other details. From here, you can download the app. Okay, so I'll click. So it is downloading. Here it is in a zip file. I'll right click and click show in folder. Right click, extract all, click extract. Now let us see the files. Here it is. Okay, so all these files are visible here for your app. the same files are visible here also. So in this way, you can easily create GenAI apps with vibe coding using Google AI Studio. For a free Google AI Studio tutorial as well as generative AI tutorials, refer to the links in the description of the video. For free study material, do refer to my website studiopedia.com. Thank you for watching.